Please raise your hand if you have questions or if you'd like to share. Welcome to MITT. So today we're going to do about a 3-hour PD session, which I've entitled Building Bridges, Enhancing Communication with Newcomer Employees. Today we're going to mostly practice strategies, some tips and tricks on how to communicate more effectively with newcomers that are on your teams, people that you supervise, trying to bridge the gap between newcomer and native speaker and find ways to communicate better, which leads to more efficiency and more safety and a better working environment. During this, please raise your hand if you have questions or if you'd like to share examples or frustrations or success stories, anything that you've experienced along the way, please feel free to chime in.
So we learned different strategies and different methods on how to communicate effectively from the construction supervisor's perspective. We learned about different idioms and how to break those down and to make it easier of understanding for the new entrant.
So this is the Randall Homes crew. Awesome.
Sometimes you get caught with the idioms that you say and they're not quite familiar with it. So it catches them off guard and it creates a sense of confusion. So breaking it down and explaining in their terms on how to execute it certainly helps. We just have to remember they came here, they want to work, they want to succeed. So it's our job to help.
I'll give you another minute or so.
What brought me here is in the workplace. We do a lot of onboarding for new workers, orientating them into our construction sites. We have to communicate safety hazards to them. So it was just additional learning of how we can better communicate with workers as English as a second language to make sure that our information gets communicated correctly to them so they have the full understanding.
And it's good to have some non-native speakers in here. Maybe let me know if what I'm saying is right.
Yes, today I come here with my friend. We work in the same company. Yes, there are a lot of immigrants over there, guys from Ukraine, Senegal, and other countries. I advise Manitoba construction for doing a lot of course like this. So it's so helpful for immigrants, and honestly, I like it.
All right, how are we doing? Another minute?
If you go back in history and look at the photographs of the demographics of the workforce, it has certainly changed and it will continue to change. So as supervisors, as companies, we have to change. It's important to stay up front.
Thank you.
I learned a lot. I think it was really educational. It was awesome to hear some really good techniques and also trying to understand a bit of the different cultures because we have employees from different parts of the world and it's not always the same from people from one region to another. So just a good way of learning how to talk to our employees in a professional yet constructive manner, but also in a way that lets them understand that we want the job done.